Okay, and then an automotive spot on top. And...
Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm building the perfect demo.
There's no such thing as a perfect demo. And
It's gonna get me tons of work.
Okay.
All right, let's pump the brakes here for a second on one of the most overhyped, oversold, and anxiety-producing pieces of the voice acting puzzle, the demo. Hey guys, my name is Joe, and I'm the founder of LearnVoiceActing.com, where I have made it my mission to empower the next generation of voice actors to take control of their career, no matter their level of experience, without asking for permission. Today, a controversial topic that I fight with other voice actors and demo producers a lot on, which is demos. Yep, the thing that everyone says you need, and that they're waiting to charge you $5,000 to make. It's a big investment, but is it worth it? And do you need it? Let's give credit where credit's due here, okay? A good demo can do things for you. Things like showcase your range and style within a specific genre. It can prove that you can produce broadcast quality audio from your own setup. It can help you make a first impression with an agent or a production house or a direct client. It's basically saying, hey, this is what I sound like when I'm at my best, right? But there are some things a demo can't do, okay? And they're as important to remember as the things that it can. Your demo cannot guarantee you work. If you ever meet a demo producer who promises this, run the other direction. Your demo cannot compensate for weak acting skills. It doesn't matter how good that production is, it can't make a bad actor sound like a good one. It can't replace ongoing marketing and outreach. And most importantly, it can never replace your audition. Out of the thousands of jobs I have booked, almost all of them came from the strength of my audition, not my demo. The demo serves as the backup for your audition. It serves as something to say, okay, what else can this person do? Almost never am I booked directly from my demo. Here's the real danger, right? Getting stuck in demo limbo, obsessing over making the perfect demo or paying for the perfect demo before you even start auditioning or marketing yourself or anything. There is no perfect demo, okay? The industry changes very fast, and so does your skill level if you're working on it enough. You're going to outgrow your first demo. That's the way it's supposed to be, by design. When I started, my first demo was fine. I made it myself. It wasn't spectacular, but it got me in the game. If I'd waited for the perfect demo, I'd have lost years of learning and networking just kind of waiting for something to get started because someone told me that I really needed it. I didn't pay for a demo until almost 2 years into being a full-time actor, after I've already made deep six figures in the industry. Then I went and paid for a demo. When you go to make a demo, know the lane. Make the demo for the kind of work you're actually ready to book. If you haven't worked on animation reads, don't make an animation demo. If you haven't worked on commercial, don't make a commercial demo. Use it and then you lose it. You replace it as you grow. A good demo should last you, if you're working on your skills, maybe 3 years, 3 to 4 years. Some of my demos are coming on like 10 years now because you'll reach a plateau and then you'll make micro adjustments. And then after a little while, you'll have enough micro adjustments to make a major adjustment, a new demo. Don't bankrupt yourself early. Wait to invest until you're ready. A photographer doesn't go out and immediately buy 10,000 worth of photography gear. They start small. So guys, if you've been holding back because you're waiting for the perfect demo, this is your permission to stop waiting. Get something representative of your current best work. Get it out there and keep moving. Inside the Voice Acting Academy, I break down exactly when to invest in a pro demo, what makes the demo bookable, and how to make sure it actually brings a return, so you stop waiting for permission and start building your career. I also break down how to make your own demos, because that's probably what you need when you're just starting out. You do not need to go and immediately spend $5,000 on a professional demo. There's a link to the Voice Acting Academy in the description below with a little discount for hanging out. Now, quit refreshing your inbox and go get behind the mic.